Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition. Weekend edition Sunday, July the 27th, 28th, 2024. It's today, Saturday, and I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, and a binary. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8978. 8978. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16. This one has 16. Well, the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Double that number, so I don't think it's 4 stars, 3 stars. I think it's rather a 0 stars or 1 star. 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 30 minutes. Well, for 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is a 1 star or a 0 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here, and there. Always a 1, the single boxes. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? No triple boxes here. How about quarter boxes? I see here 1 quarter box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. Then, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Okay. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, these 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. And these 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be here, is connected with that box super, so 3 This box can be 1, that box can be 1, and this box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so we saw 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then 3 to 4. 3 in 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. Well, 2 to 5. 2 to 4. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 1 goes there. Alright. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here and the 2 goes there. Then let me think. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes at there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So the other pair in this quadra box should be the numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Then, let me think. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there then. This box can be 5, but also that box can be 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5, the only place left for the 5 in this area, is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Here, 2 numbers left, same numbers, 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 4, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Then, let me see. Well, this box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well. We go up 3 to 4. Alright. This box can be a 3. So 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3. And 4, we have 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Okay. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5 And we mark those. Here, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright, 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, so it's divided here. Alright, I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, we have a double 3 there, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 1. Mark those 2 boxes and with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and I've eliminated here the 2, so 2 goes there, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there, and I've eliminated here the 3, so 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. It should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yeah, definitely 2. 2 and 3. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. That box should be 3. This box should be a 1. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 4 and a 3, we have 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Finishing 11 minutes. Well, told you. Should be at 0 stars. Faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. Bye-bye for now.